When life breaks you, you need to pause. Breathe. We all have breaking points. Life could throw at us challenges, and it's down on us how we deal with it. Life is not fair, never was and never will. Whatever we get from life, if that was meant for us, we must take it in. In those times, it comes down to your strength, mental and physical strength. To get through the tough times in life, you need to have both. You must train both. Without the mental strength, you will break, for sure. It does not matter how strong you are physically, and the same the other way around. You must be active, and it does not matter how old you are. As long you are healthy, and you have the opportunity to train your mind and body, you must do it. It will not be easy at the beginning, but great achievements are not easy in life. It will be worth it at the end. Keep going, keep fighting.